Hi, I'm Diane Grover, Cosmetic Chemist Trainer and Assessor here with the Institute of Personal Care Science. Today I'm going to show you how to make a gentle oat cleansing balm. Now let me show you just how easy it is. I'll just give you a little demo. This is a matte lipstick, which are typically not easy to remove from the skin. Now you don't actually need any water with this product. You just gently rub it in, and the lipids within our gentle cleansing balm will dissolve the lipids within the lipstick or sunscreen or foundation, whatever makeup that you're wearing. And then you can rinse this off, or I prefer to use a damp cloth and gently wipe away with no pulling or dragging on the skin. We will start with Sapogel Q, which is a liquid blend that acts as a natural oil thickening agent to make balm textures. And to that I will add a humectant. The humectant will help to attract and hold water on the skin's surface. I'll just mix those together, and then I'm going to put them on the mixer to gently blend. For the lipid phase, I'm using a base of caprylic capric triglycerides, which is a light non-polar emollient that effectively dissolves makeup and sunscreens. And to that I will add some evening primrose oil, which is rich in gamma-linoleic acids, which is associated with supporting skin barrier and benefiting dry and sensitive skin types. And oat oil, which contains antioxidants, linoleic and oleic acids, further reducing irritation potential on the skin. Now I'm going to add my lipid phase to the Sapogel Q. Now it's really important that you add this really slowly, so I'm going to take my time and add it dropwise to the mixer. So we've put about half of the oil in now, and you can see it's already got a beautiful gel-like texture. So the formula itself is actually really quite simple. You just need some patience so that you're not dumping all of the lipid phase into the Sapogel Q in one hit. Now that the last of the lipid phase is in, I'm going to add in some mixed tocopherols to protect the plant oils in this formula from oxidation. And because this gentle oat cleansing balm is designed for dry and sensitive skin, I'm not going to introduce any fragrance or essential oils to avoid introducing any potential allergens or irritants into the formula. So now that's blended together all nicely, I'll take that off. And you can see it has this beautiful balm-like texture. It's that simple. See? And that's how easy it is to make a gentle oat cleansing balm. If you like today's formula, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to receive notifications on videos just like this, and email us at info@personalcarescience.com.au for more free formulas. Happy formulating!